Hey y'all, Sugar Vallerina, aka Val, aka VO no cap, all lowercase letters. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing this Ossilee hair. They did include these lashes and this edge brush and a wig cap with my purchase. So I did order the 613 180% density 26-inch 613 wig from Aliexpress. The wig took about a week and a half to get here. I know they said they had like Chinese New Year at the time I ordered, but my wig still came pretty quick, I would say. So the color that I used to dye this hair was Adore Platinum and Adore Titanium. A lot of people ask me what color I used to dye the hair, and I did not film it for some reason, but it was just the same ratio of Adore Platinum and Titanium. I did use the purple shampoo to get some of the yellow out of the hair before dyeing it. So while I was dyeing the hair, I noticed that it didn't shed too much. I've dealt with some really bad 613 hair that was just shedding. This one wasn't like those. Even when the hair would tangle up a little bit, the tangles would come easily out whenever I brushed the hair, so that was really good. I am using the Ebon Black Spray to install this wig. If you're not on this lace spray already, it's gold, like get on it. My wig did not move at all. My wig was very much stuck to my head, so I do really like the Ebon Black Spray. I haven't tried the other ones, but yeah, this wig was supposedly 13 by 6, but y'all know how they like to do little 2 inches on the side, so this wig did have that. However, I still found it really easy to make my side part, which is pretty good. I just wish they would stop saying it's 13 by 6 when y'all cutting the lace off on the sides, but it's whatever. I will say that this wig's lace is not super thin like those HD wigs. It's a little thick, so the one thing you really need to do is make sure that you melt the wig properly, like tie it down, and you do need to make sure you have like a foundation or concealer that's darker than your skin tone so that it can blend easier. But I did use the Ebon tinted lace spray in dark brown to help match the lace to my skin color. But yeah. Also, this is the hair before we even straightened it. As you can see, with only blow drying, the hair was already pretty straight, which I really liked. Honestly, didn't need to straighten it, but I decided to go ahead and straighten it and then hot comb the roots down so that it could lay down properly. So yeah, the wig straightened very easily. And the good thing about this wig is that it stayed straight even after the day I straightened it. So I would say if you're looking for some good 613 hair, I would definitely order this Ossilee hair. I did buy it directly from the Aliexpress website. I did not buy it from Ossilee's website, so I couldn't tell you how the hair would be if you ordered it from there, but I will put the link in the description box if you guys want to order this hair directly. So I don't really have any cons for this hair. The only thing I will say is that the lace is not super thin, but it's definitely workable, and for the price I still think it was a great deal. The only other con I had was right there in the corner where I was trying to do my sideburn. It was like the hair was kind of missing. I don't know if I pulled it out on accident or if that's just how it came, but I just felt like there wasn't enough hair near my sideburn to do my suit properly. I mean, I still made it work because I ain't had no choice, but I just feel like there wasn't enough hair right there, and I did not pluck the hair at all. So everything I'm seeing now is the hair without being plucked. But that was the only thing I really noticed, but it's not really a deal breaker for me because at the end of the day, I still made the hair work, but y'all will see what I'm talking about in a little bit. So y'all see like right there in the corner, there just wasn't hair, and I was trying to pull from the back, but it just wasn't working. So I just laid the hair how it was. But like I said, it's not a deal breaker. You can definitely finesse it if you know how to do your hair. I think for the price, this wig was a really good deal. I paid, I want to say $237 for 26 inches of 613 hair. Yeah, I know 613 hair be expensive, so I think this was a good deal. If y'all have any questions about this Ossilee hair, feel free to message me down below and I'll try and get back to you. As y'all see here, I'm just blending the lace with my skin so that it can be more seamless. And here's my sister straightening the hair. Like, she didn't even straighten it piece by piece. She just did a little rough straighten and it still came out very, very straight. So this is what the hair was looking like. Just beautiful, y'all. Look. Just look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.